Hi, and welcome to Prep Terminal's all-inclusive USPS Postal Exam Mastery course. The United States Postal Service tends to the entirety of the country, providing delivery solutions nationwide. Demand for these services is growing, and in order to scale with the demand, the USPS needs to ensure that they hire the right candidates in order to maintain their logistical excellence in all operations. This is where the postal exam comes in. Depending on the position you're applying for, you'll be required to take a different exam. For mail carrier positions, you'll be taking the 474. For mail handler positions, you'll be taking the 475. For mail processing positions, you'll be taking the 476. And for customer service clerk positions, you'll be taking the 477. Each of these test variants comes with unique sections which are designed to assess your fit to the specific skill set required for the position. Prep Terminal's all-inclusive course comes with all the content you need to prepare for any variant of the test. Our group of cognitive specialists have composed this course to not only cover all bases, but also to be the single most comprehensive and effective postal exam prep resource on the market. This means no fluff, just directly actionable guidance and realistic practice tests. This course is perfect for anybody who is going to apply or has applied for a position with the USPS. When applying, you will only be given 72 hours before your exam, so you need to prepare efficiently and decisively. So, let's get started. Check out our 2 free modules now and get on the right track for test success. We'll see you in the course.